Hello and welcome to Longview Public Library's video tutorial over Mango Languages. Mango Languages is a great free resource the library provides access to where you can learn up to over 70 different languages. In order to access Mango Languages, you'll first need to go to Longviewtexas.gov/library to the library's webpage. From there, you can go to Resources and Databases A to Z, or scroll down and click on Databases. Once the web page loads, you can scroll down and you'll also see some of the other great resources the library has to offer. Once you reach Mango Languages, you can click on the picture or the link Mango Languages in order to take you to the sign-up page. The sign-up page will either appear in a new window or a new tab depending on your settings. Mango's login page will appear and have the Longview Public Library's logo and their name. In order to log in and use Mango's resources, you'll either have to input your email address and username and password if you've already created an account. If you have not created an account, you can either choose to sign up or use Mango as a guest. By using Mango as a guest, you still have access to the free resources that Mango provides, but it does not save your progress as you're moving through the lesson. So as soon as you leave the lesson for the day and go back into it, unfortunately, you'll have to start all over. Another great thing on the Mango's login page is you'll notice that they also have an app that you can download. You can download it through Apple App Store or get it on Google Play. That way you're not restricted to just learning and using this resource on the computer. You can take it on the go with you on your phone, your iPad, or your tablet. Now say we want to create an account. You're going to go down and click on Sign Up. Now take you to the Create Your Profile page. From here, you'll have to input your email address, library card number, and password. Once you've done this, you'll click Sign Up and a data consent pop-up will appear. You'll have to agree to this data consent pop-up before you can complete creating your account. I'm going to go back since I've already created an account and log in. Once you log into your account, you'll then be directed to the Pick a Language page. From here, you can choose from the different popular languages such as Spanish and French, or you can choose See All. Under See All, you can see all the languages that Mango has to offer, including Pirate. But for this example, I'm going to choose Spanish. Once the page loads, you'll notice up here at the toolbar that you're under Learn. From here, you can access the lessons and you can click on Start Learning to start the first lesson, or you can also do a placement test to see where you are at and possibly skip further ahead within the lessons. You can also scroll down on this left-hand side and see the different chapters and specialty units that you have to access to. Or if you just want to jump right into the lesson, you can click on number 1 in chapter 1 under the introductions. Another great thing you can do is in here your toolbar, you can click on Explore, and that brings you to Mango Premier. This is a great resource because it brings you and immerses you within the language that you're learning. So for this instance, you can watch movies and it tells you more about the language. Or you can click See All, explore features, and it can show you more. Another thing you can do up here at the toolbar is click on Tools, and it'll take you to a translator. So you can translate anything from English to another language or from another language to English. Lastly, I just want to kind of go over your account. If you go over here in the right-hand upper corner, you can view your profile their organizations. You can link family profiles. You can also click on activity to see the lessons that you've started, and you can log out. If you have any other questions about this tutorial or using Mango languages, please don't hesitate to contact us at the Longview Public Library at 903-237-1350.